My name is Indu Sharma. I would like to share with you the vision and mission of Bhupindra International Public School, PATIALA. The vision is to develop joyfully engaged, holistic learners who are given equal opportunities for to develop their 21st century skills, be it critical thinking, creativity, problem solving, innovation. We ensure that these children are not only taken care of in their academic areas, but also their physical, social, emotional, and spiritual development happens. And we really feel spiritual elevation is very, very important in current times where we come across so much of violence, so much of intolerance. So the focus has always been that children understand there'll be variety of opinion. They need to respect other people's opinion without clinging to anybody's opinion. While embracing one's own opinion, they understand that people will have different ideologies, different belief system. To have peace in the world, these children these children are prepared to understand that they have to grow up into contributory global leaders, and to maintain peace in the world is the responsibility of each individual. And the mission of the school is whatever knowledge, whatever skills children acquire, they have to use it to make their life beautiful and to make the world outside beautiful. To illuminate this world with knowledge and to dispel ignorance or darkness caused by ignorance. And the children do not limit their service to their family. They serve society, they serve their country, and they serve the people world over. And the kind of joy one gets in service, one would not get in just filling one's coffers. So children understand it's important to earn wealth, but not at the cost of humanities. So we look at humanity, service to humanity is a prime mission of Bhupindra International Public School, and every member, each stakeholder is aligned to the mission and vision of the school. Right at the time of admission, the parents are informed about the vision and the mission of the school. Right from the guard to the head of the school, everybody is aligned to the vision and mission of the school. Then it's easy for us to achieve our vision and mission statement. Then these statements do not simply sit on the walls or some kind of placards. We live them every day, and we ensure our children value vision and mission, and they carry vision and mission of the school in their heart, and they live up to it. And each one of us, each person in the faculty, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, everybody lives it every day. That's how we achieve our vision and mission. And this profession is all about passion. So people around are very passionate in achieving the set goals, and vision makes everything crystal clear to each stakeholder. Thank you.